Hey builders, in this video I'll show you how to leverage Bolt, the AI-powered dev tools, to rapidly prototype your MVP. Even with minimal coding experience, let's jump in. First, you need to access the Bolt. Go to bolt.ai and log in or create account. Once you're in, you'll see a command center where you can start prompting. Then create a simple MVP feature. Here, let's say you want to build a simple Express.js backend with a .ping route that returns to Pong. Just type the following prompt in bold. And then within seconds, the bolt generates a clean and ready to run code. Then after that, we can review and deploy the code. The bolt gives you an editable code. Copy it to your local project, tweak as needed, and also you can even connect it with the Vercel Railway or Render for a quick deployment. Here is the example prompt that is generated by Bolt. And that's it. You just built a functional backend route with one command using Bolt, perfect for MVPs, startups, and weekend projects. If this helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.